Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I want to show you everything that I order from Coco Daisy. I got this in the mail last night and I knew that I had to film this video because I have been mentioning lately that I wanted to kind of switch my subscriptions around. I feel like I was getting too much, I was getting too many items that I was not using, and I felt like it was becoming a waste. And so I wanted to kind of like switch things around, and I wanted to show you what is inside of this box. So first of all, can we just see how cute this box is? I mean, it looks like a vintage suitcase, little, they're not actually stickers, but they look like they could be stickers. I just think it is adorable. All right, when you open it up, you get the brown paper this time. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Now, the first kit that I wanna show you, this is the planner add-on kit. I didn't stop this subscription because I felt like what was in here I utilized quite often. But I did get rid of the main planner kit. I felt like there were too many items in there that I just didn't need, and felt like the planner add-on kit was perfect. So let me open this and show you what is inside. So you get 2 rolls of washi, this clip with the cute little camera on it. We have the die cut stickers. We have this little, I mean, it could be made into a keychain. She was showing that this could be like a washi cutter. So that is cute. And these are some little pockets that you could attach to your planner. And some rub-ons back here. And then inside of this, we get a couple cards. And then some stickers. So I kept this one because I prefer these date stickers, and I didn't need the bigger ones, so the circles are perfect. And then more stickers and one more little card there. My heart belongs everywhere. So I just felt like this was a good blend of everything that you would get in the main planner kit, just not as much. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. The next one I wanna show you, I continued my subscription to the classified planner kit. I always enjoy the items that are in here and knew that I did not want to give this one up. What I did drop was the Traveler's Notebook, the Memory Keeper kit. It's the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit is I think what it's called. I dropped that because, I feel like there was just way too many things. I wasn't utilizing the booklet. I wasn't utilizing just majority of the things. So, all right, this kit, you get another roll of washi, this cute bow clip, which I love these little bow clips, and this color is perfect. I get these buttons, but I don't have the, I don't use this clip, so that's gonna kind of be a waste, but that's okay. These are adorable little clips here. You can keep your planner open while you're working on it. Here is a little notepad that says, remember, the date or the month card. And then we have the Simon card and some stickers. Let's flip through those really quick. Looks like little travel tags, which is kind of fun. And then what I like that is in this classified kit are these days of the week stickers. I utilize those a lot. And then here are some stickers of a map. And the last thing you get They're kind of like the vellums, the overlays. You get 2 of those. All right, let me put these to the side. And then I continued ordering the dashboard kit. I like having these to make my little dashboard covers. So here's the first one, June. I'm just gonna flip through these. Okay, and then they are the same thing on these smaller ones. Trying to figure out what else I canceled. I canceled the pouch. So I think I only canceled the main planner kit, the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit, the pouch, I think that's it. But then I added on some other sticker kits. I added the memory keeping sticker kit, the planner sticker kit, and then the Daisy add-on sticker kit. So let's look at those. This first one, the Daisy add-on sticker kit. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of stickers, and this is what they look like. These are great to put on your weekly spreads to make everything a little more functional. Now, I knew this was in the Daisy sticker kit, and I don't utilize the letters. So who was it? I think I was selling a kit, and someone was saying like, I will take all of the alphas, all of the letters, because I let it was either a preschooler or a kindergartner use them for spelling. So maybe it was older than preschool or kindergarten, but they were letting their daughter use them to spell, which I thought was a great idea. So I am keeping these now. So when my little girl gets old enough, she could spell with those. And then you get these. All right, the planner sticker kit. Let's open this up. Now in this kit, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of stickers. And these are more like, okay, this is decorative to me. You could put them in like a box, like on your planner. You have like a checklist. So if you want to write like your meals here or whatever you need to track or what's important for that day, and there's the tracking there. I liked how there were the date stickers down here, and they are a different shape and a different size than the other kits that I was subscribed to. I forget, there was the planner kit, and then I'm not sure about the Traveler's Notebook one. I can't remember if there were date stickers in there. Because whenever I get my box, I just kind of do this and I open it all and put it all together, and then I don't know what kit goes to what. I like these weekend stickers. Oh, little emojis there. So those will help you plan your week in your planner. Now, the memory keeping sticker kit, I thought this was kind of a neat add-on because it could be used for journaling, right? Memory keeping. And I knew that I kind of wanted something like that, so I could continue to memory keep. I have such great intentions with memory keeping, but it just falls short. And I think it's because of the paper that I'm choosing in my journal. And so I am looking to change that and get something else. So this is really cute. Hello, June. And then more boxes here. I like this little strip. Let's see, are these? Okay, yeah, that's one big strip, and you can cut it. So dated, our trip. And then this one has those more little date stickers. So I knew that by canceling the other boxes, I was going to get more. I just didn't know like what style. All right, we have some decorative stickers. more alphas, and then some quote stickers. And that is everything that I ordered. I think I'm happy with this because I definitely did not need everything that I was ordering. Like I said, it's a complete waste almost, which is kind of sad. This last month, I have like a whole case of items that I didn't use. So I knew that I definitely needed to downgrade for sure. But if you guys have any questions or want to see anything else, please let me know. I would be happy to help you figure out how to order Cocoa Daisy, which kits to order, or if you have some confusion, I can try to help you with that because I know that when I first subscribed to Cocoa Daisy, I didn't know what to do. There were so many options. So if I can help, I will try to help. But until next time, you guys, happy planning, happy memory keeping. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.